What's going on, everybody? This is BELiEVE checking in. Another day with BELiEVE episode 8. I'm out here in Goodyear, right by the flyer, right by the Southland Mall. Just checking in out here, just getting 2 tires. Obviously, when you're driving ride share or whatever, you definitely gotta upgrade your tires here and there. But yeah, just another day. About to vlog for the rest of the day. Check in. See the whip. Then about to get a whole new tire on that thing. This car's been through a lot, but you know, we still pushing, still grinding. Once I get some funds though, to actually put some money into it, I'm actually gonna customize the whole thing, speaking into existence. Got the left side all done. Yeah, look out for that. It's probably gonna be a couple months until I do that. But yeah, I love this car. Check them out if y'all need a tire service or anything as far as engine wise. They'll take care of you. Out here in Walnut Creek, man, they got probably one of the nicest trees out here in the Bay Area. They got variety too. I just got done dropping off one of my riders. I couldn't help but notice that all these trees are so beautiful, and there's a lot of varieties out here too. So it's not just like one oak tree or redwood. We also got palm trees around here too. Those other kind of type of trees as well. But yeah, I just had to point it out there. Out in Walnut Creek, man, they got probably one of the best trees out here. Oakland has some too. I know San Francisco, but man, Walnut Creek has a lot of them out here.
This is J.P. Banks.
Still out here grinding. You already know. Out here getting money. But yeah, we out here grinding. Grinding. It's in the process, you know. Staying consistent with the grind. Stay focused, man. Stay focused. Stay focused.